Hi guys, welcome to my channel Hot Wheels Showcase Double A Shadows. Guys, I am here with Double A Shadows Classics. And before starting our today cars, look at this baby guys. This is a Porsche GT3 RS. Our guest appearance for today guys. And I want to dedicate this appearance to a lovely friend channel, Carolina #1. Guys, please check out the lovely sharings of the Carolina and her father. Once again guys, please remember the Carolina #1 is with us now today. And now time for our today guys. Here is our guy #1 for today. This baby is a rolling Dodge in black color. A lovely man guys. You can check the tail bumper and the front bumper. Everything is pretty awesome. Wheel selection is also cool. The customized job on the both sides. And the hood is looking nice. The black color of this baby is looking awesome guys. Here is a topper view. Finishing of the hood and the front bumper is really nice guys. Here is the below side. Here is our car #2 guys. This baby is 64 Chevy Impala. The color of car is pretty awesome and the art job is looking nice. This car is with a big customized engine. You can check guys. The customization on the trunk are also looking great, like the front side. The bumpers are looking cool. Details on the rear side and the front side are also cool guys. Here is the topper view for this baby. The art job on the roof is also looking cool. And the below side. A neat work by HW, everything is pretty visible. 64 Chevy Impala. Here is our baby #3 and the last one for today guys. A lovely car in white color and USA flag customizations. Looking awesome. Wheel selection and the red job on the rims. This red job is matches with the windows. You can notice guys The rear and windshield are also red, like the rims. Here is the topper view, guys. The finishing of the hood and the trunk, both are looking nice. This car have lovely bumpers. You can check, guys, the rear bumper and the front, both are looking great. Here is the below side, guys. Sorry. You can check, guys, the pretty neat work, but unfortunately the name of this car is missing and I don't know her name, guys, but I love this baby. Guys, please comment below if you know anything about this car and especially the name of this car. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great fun, guys. Bye.